Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me yet again for another eyeshadow look in my 31 Days of Eyeshadow Palette series for the month of December. Today we are going to be working with the Anastasia Sultry palette, Anastasia Beverly Hills that is. This palette retails for I believe $45, but I was fortunate enough to catch it on sale. Here are the shades in the palette. It's such a gorgeous cool tone palette. So without further ado, let's get right on into this look. Okay, so we're going to hop right on into this look. The first shade I'm going to go in with is this shade Birch, and I'm just going to put that all over my transition area. Okay, next, and I was using my Morphe M441 brush, but next taking my e.l.f. crease brush, I am going to go into the shade Twig, which is this shade right here. I'm going to put that on the outer end of my eye, coming up about 2/3 of the way. I don't want it to get all the way on this side of my eye. Okay, with this same brush, I'm going into the color Dystopian, which is the darkest brown in the palette. And I'm just going to put it exactly where I put Twig. And notice that I'm kind of like winging the shadow out a little bit. Also, I'm going to create like this diagonal shape right here with the color Dystopian. Going back in with the Morphe M441 brush that I started out with first, I'm just going to blend out the edges. I'm going to go back in with the e.l.f. brush and add a little bit of the shade Noir, which is the black shade in the palette, just a little bit to deepen it, just a little bit. Okay, next I'm just going to take some concealer and cut my crease. Okay, I'm back. The thing about cut creases is you just never know if they're the same until you finish. Well, at least that's how it always happens for me. Like, it's not actually cutting the crease that's hard, it's getting these two to match. But I think that's as close as I'm going to get it right now. So I'm going in with my e.l.f. crease brush and I'm just going to blend out the edges of that concealer. I use the Born This Way concealer to prime and cut the crease. Now taking the Morphe M124 brush, I'm going into the shade Pearl, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to put that all over where I put the concealer. Now I'm going to dip into this pink shade Bloom, and I'm just going to blend that where Noir, the black shade, and the Pearl shade meet. Oh, not with this brush. I'm actually going to take the MAC M1 217 brush. I'm tripping. Then with that e.l.f. crease brush, I'm just going to blend the black and the pink together. Okay, so that's it. I'm just going to stop messing with it. I am now going to take Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade Perversion, which is the blackest black. And I'm going to put that on my waterline. I'm taking this Morphe M432 brush and I'm just gonna like buff out that eyeliner. Now with the Morphe M441 brush, I'm going into Twig. I'm just gonna put that underneath where I put the eyeliner. Taking the brush that comes with the Sultry palette, I'm going to dip into Dystopian. I'm going to tap it off. And I'm going to go in with that. Okay, off camera, I'm going to add a wing. I'm using this Ulta gel liner today, which I hate. Don't buy this. But this is all that I have at the moment. And I'm using my Milk Kush mascara. And then I'm going to pop on a lash, which will be listed down below in the description box because I don't know what these are called at the moment. And I will come back. I will try to make this eyeliner as even as possible for this eye, but that may or may not happen. Okay guys, so here is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. Make sure you tune in every day, Monday through Friday, 5 p.m. Eastern Time, Saturday, Sunday, 12 p.m. Eastern Time to catch my 31 days of eyeshadow palettes for the month of December. Again, if you like this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I post a new video if you don't want to keep up with those times. I know it's a lot. Comment down below your favorite look so far. And with that, I will see you next video.